Do you have Pectus Excavatum and it's getting you down and you want to fix it, but you don't want to have the surgery because it's scary? Well, then I have the perfect solution for you. So my name is Byrne and I fixed my pectus and have coached thousands of people all around the world to successfully fix their pectus without surgery, with exercise, stretching and other non-invasive methods. I know how much having pectus sucks. Trust me, I've been where you are right now. I was so insecure and depressed about my body, always hiding it, never taking off my shirt. But when I fixed it, my life changed. And lucky for you don't have to waste time trying to figure out how to fix it with exercise, because now I have the proven method. I've discovered specific exercises that, when done properly, will build key areas that will make your pectus less noticeable. For example, really targeting the chest, developing around the indent. But now that I'm telling you guys about some key exercises, particularly chest exercises, don't just start doing them, because you can make things worse. What most people do is they just start training chest without balancing it with back. And as a result, it pulls them into a rounded posture, making their indent appear deeper. And heck, I bet if you just take a look at how you're sitting right now watching this video, you're in a rounded position. We need to open that up firstly. So when you can open up your chest with effective stretching, but at the same time building your chest with effective exercises, that's when you can make your pectus look a lot less noticeable. You then pair this with ab and specifically oblique training for the rib flare pot belly appearance, and boom, your case of pectus is going to look so much less noticeable. Now let me be clear, by no means will training and exercise make your chest flat. I still have an indent in my chest, but my body looks great, and exercise and stretching has done that for me. It fixed my posture and it built a lean muscular physique, built muscle in the right places that makes my pectus look less noticeable and makes a body that I'm proud of. And my goal is to help you look so great that you're confident in your body. However, the training typically works best in 7 out of 10 people. In more severe cases, you can utilize other non-invasive methods, such as vacuum bell therapy, to bring out your chest. And guys, it's important to note that no case of pectus is the same. Some are symmetrical, some aren't. Some are deep, some are only a couple centimeters. Everyone varies, and we all vary in our genetics, in our lifestyles and our circumstances. So what's important is that you meet me, and then from there make a strategy for you to fix your pectus, because no case is the same. We all need a different strategy. This is a serious chest deformity, which is probably taking a toll on your mental health. So it's time to fix it. So book a strategy call with me so we can meet and begin this transformation. The call does cost $49 USD, but it will be credited towards my coaching. So if you're serious about this, pectus is getting you down and you're ready to make a change, then click the link, book that call, and we'll go from there.